you take and trace the orthogonal lines, the converging lines on the side of this 2-point box, you will get vanishing point left. Then if you draw a line straight through that and straight across your paper, it has to be parallel with the top and the bottom of the paper, you will get your eye level. Then where the other side converges at that eye level, you will get vanishing point right. All the lines on that side of the box converge to vanishing point right. All the lines on the other side of the box converge to vanishing point left. The other 2-point box in this picture does not share a parallel plane with this blue box. Right now I drew the distance between vanishing point left and right. Now I'm going to find where vanishing point left and right are on this eye level for this purple box. They also fall on the eye level. That distance between vanishing point left and right is exactly the same for the blue box and the purple box. They slide on the same eye level,